Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to this new really cute tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to make these very cute little spring flowers out of, whatever, residual wool. And this is really quick. It's awesome if you just have leftover wool laying around. It's great for Easter decorations maybe, or, just for the whole spring maybe. They're really cute, and I think they fit for the whole season of spring. So here you can see that I made these little flowers from 3 different kind of pinkish colors. And here you can see, the color. This one's a little like thicker, and this one is a nice like magenta tone. And so this is what we do. We take the number 6 crocheting hook that works with the wool. So just take whatever is recommended with the wool you have. And so we take the wool here. And so the first thing we're going to do is do a magic ring. So we put it here around the fingers and then pull it through with the hook. You can see like there's a crossing, and then you go here in between the fingers and pull the thread up with the hook. I take out my fingers, and then here we have the magic ring. This is the kind of loop below the hook right now. And so what we do then is some chain stitches. So we do 2 chain stitches here. Then we wrap the thread around the crocheting hook and then go through the hook, the magic ring, and do that again. And now we have 4 of these, we have 5 of these threads on the hook. And then we do that again. So we wrap it around and pull the thread through the loop. And so now we have 7 loops around my hook. It's actually pretty crowded. So I'm going to take the thread and pull it all through all 7 threads that were on my hook. And so we end up with 1 left on the hook. So this is basically my first petal here, but I'm going to do 2 more chain stitches, and then I will connect it with a slip stitch into the magic ring and then pull it through. So just a slip stitch here. And this is my first little petal. You can see it's like kind of little convex here on the back side, which is really cute. So I'm going to do the same thing. I do 2 chain stitches here, then we loop around and pull the thread through. Now we have 3 on the hook. Loop around, pull through the loop. Now we have 5, and do the same thing again, and then you should have 7 here on the hook. Then we pull the thread and pull it all the way through all 7, and do 2 chain stitches here. And then we do the slip stitch here at the very end in the magic ring. All right, second one is done. And you can already see, just how cute they look. And so we do the same thing here again, 2 chain stitches. Then we take, wrap around the thread, go through the magic ring until we have 7 on the hook here. Okay. And then we take the thread and pull it through all 7 that we had on the hook. 2 chain stitches and a slip stitch here at the end for the end of the little flower petal. All right. And so here we have 3 now. And so we do this again. So 1, 2 chain stitches. Then we wrap it around, go through the magic ring. We have 3 on the hook. Then wrap it around again, go through the magic ring. Now we should have 5 on the hook. And do the same thing 1 more time, and now we have 7 on the hook. Then we take the thread and pull it through all 7 of these little loops. Sometimes it's a little hard to pull it through all without getting stuck, so it's kind of good to loop the hook around so that the hook is pointing down, and then it's a little easier to pull through. 2 chain stitches and the slip stitch here at the very end. Okay, so now we have 4 of the little petals, so we need 1 more. I'm kind of pulling the magic ring a little tighter here. Okay. And here we go. We do 2 chain stitches and then loop the thread around the hook, pull it through the magic ring, have 3 on the hook. Now we have 5 on the hook, and now we have 7 on the hook, and then we pull the thread through all 7. 2 chain stitches and a slip stitch here at the very end. All right, so we have 5 petals here now. And here at the very end, what we're gonna do, we only need the 5 flower petals. I'm gonna cut the thread here at the very end and pull the thread through the last stitch that we were working on. And the magic ring here in the middle, I will pull very tight until until it closes fully up, basically. And here you can see how cute we have this little flower here. It's the 5 little flower petals. And so what I'm gonna do here now, and pull it a little tighter here, so there's no hole in the middle. You can obviously leave a hole in the middle, but I prefer pulling it fully tight. So what I have here is that I have the thread here at the back side. So I'm gonna put the hook through and pull one of these little last threads through. And so now we have a thread on both sides of the flower. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna make a really simple knot. And this is what you can use to hang up your flower. And so now you could hang it up anywhere in your house, somewhere, and maybe you have some cute flowers somewhere that are Easterly decorated, so you can put it on there. And we just cut off the end here, and then we have this flower. It's really easy, it's really cute. You don't really need much wool at all. And it's a very, very nice way to make little Easter decorations or spring decorations. Thank you guys for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you liked this video. If you would like to watch more, please visit my channel and subscribe for free. Please share this video with your friends and see you next time.